Hi, welcome to Cogran. Thanks for joining me for this video about membership check-in scanning. Watch to the end to view the customer experience as well. Today we're going to explore member check-in. This is usually set up on a dedicated system at a front desk. We are going to click Login and we're going to log in with our admin credentials. Now that we've logged in as an admin, we're using this admin menu access here. We're going to scroll down to Barcode Check-in, then click Barcode Scan. Very importantly, the cursor must be in this box when you barcode scan. This tells Cogran the scanner is communicating to it. Now we're going to scan. The scanning reads the number, and we see a green badge for a current member, a photo, the date of the expiration, and the membership level. The time that the scan appears on screen can be customized. It usually is quick, so the next person can check in. If you want the display to last longer, Cogran can adjust that time for you, so you're able to see people checking in more slowly. You're also able to use this module for other check-ins. Guest passes, tickets, day passes, and registrations can be checked in here as well. You can also use it to check in equipment if you're loaning out equipment internally or by member. Cogran makes it easy for admins to look up a customer. If they do not have an available membership card, you can look them up right here in the module using member last name search. Copy and paste the member ref number, then use the drop-down to swap to member check-in. Paste in the member number. If added, the customer's image appears, as well as membership date of expiration. The system bongs when an expired membership is accessed. Let's search for another last name, and we'll replicate a successful check-in. As you can see, our expiration date and our membership type are both here. We're going to highlight this one, and once again, we are replicating a barcode scan. But what's the customer experience? Now, I'll check in as a member. I'm logging into a public account. We're going to hit the hamburger menu, scroll to my memberships and day passes. These display in a line. Customers have all family members on their access, the number of remaining passes if they have day passes, their member number, and of course the barcode.
Of course, most customers will use their phone. This can easily show the barcode to the scanner. And that's all they need to do. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please reach out to your Cogran customer service representative.